Here we go. Gonna make some homemade bird suet. I have done this recipe before. My birds are out. Last time I made it, the raccoons and squirrels were getting to it, ate me out too fast. So here we go, we're gonna do it. 1 block of lard, crunchy peanut butter. I put about the same amount of peanut butter in there as lard. It goes on the oven, and we're just gonna melt it down. You don't want it too hot. You melt it down. After you get it melt down real good, 2 cups of whatever bird food you use. I prefer black oil, sunflower, and safflower. All the other stuff's usually wasted. 2 cups or so of grapes. 5 cups of oats. It's going to seem like a lot of oats when you first start, but I promise it's going to work out. 5 cups of yellow cornmeal. I get the stuff from Walmart. It's cheap. It's good. It's going to seem like a lot. Again, you're going to mix it up. That fat and peanut butter is going to incorporate, and you're going to have a bowl of bird deliciousness. The best containers for this are the Great Value brand deli meat blue top containers. This recipe makes 6 brand meat, and it works great. There's 5. They're going to go in the fridge, and then they will be ready to put out in the brick feeder a little bit later this afternoon. There we go. Let's go hang this up for them so they're not mad at me. Now you can see the bluebirds are there. I have probably 6 to 8 bluebirds.